Hi, this is Holly with Wild Blessings, and this is chickweed. And it's probably one of my favorite herbal miracles. I absolutely love this amazing weed, and it's very prolific. It loves cold weather, and I found a ton of it yesterday in a friend's garden, so I was ecstatic to forage for it. And anyway, I'm going to show you how to make 4 things with chickweed, and Stellaria media is its botanical name. It's the little star of spring, and it loves cold weather. I've even found this under the snow. So what I did is I like to give it a haircut. So I took my scissors and I just cut a bunch of it in right out of her garden, because I wanted the root systems to stay there for her. I would never want to have her lose her chickweed. So then I took it and put it in my basket, brought it home, washed it off, and then I'm going to garble it. And so the way you garble is you just kind of look through and make sure that there's no other, like different weeds that are not chickweed, or like the little woody stems or something that's kind of yellowish. And actually it's really important when you're foraging to make sure that you're only getting the plant you're after, and that way you don't have to do too much work when you're garbling. So anyway, I'm going to take these little pieces of brown and throw them in my compost bin, and then this is all going to be used to make a juice, which I'll be making with apples and celery and carrots and the chickweed. Chickweed is super high in potassium and calcium and magnesium and some other ones that I don't remember, but it's also a refrigerant. So when you touch this, it actually feels cold. And I have 2 amazing stories to tell you about of times when chickweed came to my rescue and really helped in a healing fashion. So, but right now I want to make my grilled cheese sandwich. I got this idea from my friend Rosalie de la Flore, and only I'm going to make mine different. So what I did is I just have some pumpernickel rye bread. You can use any bread you want, buttered the side just like you're making a grilled cheese sandwich. And then this is a goat cheese that I love. And so right here is blackberry jam that I had made from last summer. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that. I know this is kind of decadent, but it just sounds good to me right now. So I'm just going to put it on the side, put the cheese in, and then I'm actually adding bacon. Now you don't need to add any bacon, but I'm adding bacon. And then I'm going to take the chickweed. Now, some of the keys in eating this sprawling, delicious herb is to cut it fine, because it has long stems, and so I don't really want it stringy in my sandwich, nor do I want it stringy in my salad. So I'm going to cut it up nice and thin, and it's already been washed. Okay, so now that's nice and thin. I'm going to take it, put it on top of all of this yumminess, add another piece of cheese. I'm going to actually put a little bit of jelly on this side too, because I can. And then I'll show you a picture of it when it's already cooked. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm going to be sharing with you in another video how to make the chickweed pesto, and it's going to be Thai flavoring. I'm going to show you how to make a chickweed salad, and then I'll show you the results of making my juicing the chickweed, and I'll share with you those 2 stories that I think are super cool. So for now, wild blessings abound, and I hope you can find chickweed around you.